Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now, cleanse your face thoroughly, then pat dry so the oil adheres. You'll measure 1 teaspoon coconut oil and add 0.25 to 0.5 teaspoon powdered Kapoor, alternatively 1-2 small camphor chips dissolved. Mix into a smooth paste. Use a ceramic spoon so flavors don't change. Why? Coconut oil is a carrier, and Kapoor is highly concentrated, so low dose prevents irritation. Once mixed, apply a small dab to your jawline to confirm comfort. Wait 15-20 minutes. You're applying the paste now. Scoop a pea-sized amount and warm between your fingers so it spreads easily. Aim for skin temperature, about 30-35 degrees C. Apply with gentle upward strokes across cheeks, forehead, and chin. Avoid eyes and nostrils. Massage for 45 to 60 seconds to encourage even absorption, then leave on for 5-10 minutes maximum. Make sure to breathe normally. Kapoor's aroma is strong. If burning or sharp sting appears, rinse immediately with cool water. Finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water, using circular motions to remove residue. Follow with a gentle alcohol-free toner or lightweight moisturizer to rebalance skin. Once done, pat dry, do not rub. If you notice redness, intense burning, or swelling, wash immediately with soap and cool water. Discontinue use and monitor the area. For persistent symptoms, seek professional advice. Store any remaining mixture in a closed glass jar, labeled with date, and discard after 1-2 weeks to keep it fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.